What's up, guys? Just out for a quick night ride. I'm actually not going far, just going from the girlfriend's place to home. So this actually won't be a quick, this will actually be a really short video. That, and I think my GoPro only has like 10% battery, so I'll be lucky to get a full vlog in. I'm curious to know, does anybody ride at night outside of the city? Don't get me wrong, riding in a city at night is pretty simple, but you know, there's always enough lights to ride around town. But I'm curious to know if anybody actually rides out of town on back roads at night. Like, I don't even consider this a back road, just because there's so much traffic. There's always so many cars and lights. But know how well this video is going to turn out, just because of my GoPro settings. I have it set up more for motion blur than anything, so I don't know. I think my shutter speed may actually be too slow to do anything at night. That might be something I'll have to play with for a future video. Would be the settings to be able to vlog at night. I've only ridden in darker once this year. I haven't really ridden at all. Last season, I would, like, most of the time I was riding, it was all like in the evenings, because people would be finishing work, and we'd go out and just ride around Montreal and stuff like that. So we'd be out a lot. We would be out a lot more at night. So even for me this year, it's been a pretty rare occurrence. I personally, I do have a clear visor, but I don't carry it with me. So if I'm remotely going to be out, I'm always going to have my tinted visor, which makes it a little harder to see. And because tonight wasn't planned, I don't have my glasses. I only need glasses occasionally. I don't need them to drive. I'm just more confident with it at night. I can see a bit better, especially on the motorcycle. Like, tinted visor, it's dark out, and headlights are pretty useless, don't get me wrong. Like, I put a new one on this one, so it's actually a lot better than the stock headlight. I put an LED in this one, but I find the high beams work actually pretty decent. Like, it lights up the entire road, like width-wise anyways. Yeah, so I'm curious, leave them in the comment section. Do you guys ride at night or not? Needless to say, I would not be riding aggressive at night on roads that I did not know. Even roads I did know, I wouldn't really want to be riding aggressive at night because you can't see anything. But that's it. I'm pretty much home. If you guys are watching this, thanks again. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe button if you already aren't subscribed to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.